Hello everyone, welcome back to Opportunity Hunt. So today I'm thrilled to talk about the golden opportunity that is the role of software development engineer at Amazon. So if you ever dreamed of working with a cutting edge technologies at one of the world's biggest company, so then this is for you. So let's dive into it. What is eligibility criteria? What are all the things that are required in order to apply for this? All the things are discussed in this video. So stay tuned till the end. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel where we'll get the content which is related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, and a lot more content which will be uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. So coming to the video, at Amazon, the mantra it is simple that customer obsession. So but behind the scenes, the real magic happens through a work of Amazon's SDs. As a software development engineer, you will be solving a complex problems that impact the millions of customers worldwide. So whether it is creating a new product, features or any other services, the innovation never stops here. So, what you will be actually do as a SDE? So, well, you will be collaborating with the experienced professionals across the different disciplines to bring those incredible ideas to the life. It's all about designing, developing, and scaling them the technologies from the distributed systems to a fault tolerant storage solutions. So, you will be getting a chance to code and implement the real world solutions into an environment that moves fast, and I mean really fast. At Amazon, development cycles are measured in the weeks, so not in the years. So once the best thing about working here it is the opportunity to work on a massive scale projects. Imagine building the systems that run predictions across the global infrastructure or creating the new technologies that redefine the entire industries. So Amazon tech challenges are huge, and the solutions that you can help you to build could directly impact the millions of users every day. So the working environment at Amazon is also something to talk about. It is so you will work in an agile team, so where the building, testing, and shipping the software very quickly. So the challenges might be undefined or ambiguous at a time. So, but if you are someone who loves abstract thinking and the problem solving, this is a perfect place to be. So let's talk about what Amazon is looking for. So first off, a bachelor's degree in the computer science or any related field. So if you also need a strong fundamentals in algorithms, object-oriented design, data structures, and problem solving. Amazon's tech stack spans a language like C++, Python, Java, and more. So having a programming knowledge in one of the more this is essential to them. So how to get into it? It's all start with the application. It is a rolling process, so you can apply anytime. After applying, you make sure to check your status through Amazon candidate portal. So be patient as they get a large number of applications. So but trust me, it worth the wait. So if you have a technical internship, that definitely is a plus for you. But what really matters here it is your ability to solve problems, think critically, and work through ambiguity. So Amazon loves candidates who can accelerate the technical challenges and come up with the innovative solutions. So if that's you, Amazon might just be the place where you chart your own career path. So you are ready to build your future in the Amazon. Don't miss out this incredible opportunity. The link is there in the description box. You can apply it from over there. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the more job opportunities. And I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity.